and welcome. So today I'm back down in London and I've got the Canon M50 Mark II with me, and this time I've got the Sigma 30mm prime lens on. Now the last video that you would have seen last week was the Canon 32mm, so we're going to see how the Sigma, I should say, 30mm compares. So I'm just having a walk through London, doing a bit of street photography, and we'll see how this one performs. I've got the lens hood on, which makes it a little bit bigger, but again it's quite a nice weighted lens, not too heavy, sits nicely on this particular camera. Let's get started. So I need a few warm-up shots. So obviously 30mm, just a little bit wider than the Canon 32, but to be honest, so little you won't really notice a big difference. So I'm just getting a few warm-up shots. Like how that crane was coming out the side of the church. I just love the architecture in London. Oh, we get a shot down here of life in London, roadworks. Try and take it through the bridge. Couple of shots there, one focusing on the dragon and the other one focusing through the dragon. I'll get that chap on the bridge if he doesn't move. A reflection of this church that's on the left here in that window. See if we can get this woman in the taxi. See what we can get over here. Oh, just love these trees down this road. Can we get them from over here? Hello, well that brings us to the end of that video, but before I go I just wanted to mention how much I enjoy using this Sigma 30mm. I find that it's a great lens. You know, there's not much difference I suppose between the Canon 32mm and the Sigma 30mm, but if I had to choose I would probably go for the Sigma. I find that it's really sharp. I just love this lens. I mean, look at this. And the other thing with this, of course, when you purchase this, it comes with the lens hood, which the Canon doesn't. But it's a nice lens, it's nicely weighted, and it feels good on the camera. So for street photography, it's actually not too bad. It's good for portraits. It opens up to 1.4 so that you can get that nice blurry background if you want to. And I think it's something that worth considering if you're thinking about something round about the 32 millimeter. The two main choices really are the Sigma and the Canon. I would go for the Sigma personally, but that's a personal thing. The manual focus ring is nice and large just here. If you see that, it turns lovely and smoothly, and it really feels good. It's quite fast at focusing, so it's when you've got it on auto focus, it really focuses well and fast, which is something I like, especially for street photography. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, give me the thumbs up please, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss future videos, and click that notification bell as well. Okay, look forward to seeing you on the next video.